Hello there, welcome to Digital Lync, and this is the introductory video of our Python development course. Python is the fastest growing programming language in the world, as it increasingly becomes used in wide range of software development roles. It is also the most searched programming language on Google. Python is also one of the easiest programming languages to learn, is known for high reliability and simple syntax, which is why it attracts a lot of new coders. Python offers web application frameworks like Django and Flask, and Python on Rails to build awesome web applications. Dropbox, Instagram, Facebook, Quora, Reddit, Spotify have all been built leveraging Python platform. Python is also very much efficient in handling of lots of data with better speed. The easy syntaxes of language helps a layman to transform into a pro at programming coding. Career opportunities for Python developers are never-ending. The statistics show there is a credible 46% increase in jobs for Python developers from 2017 to 2018. Hence it is evident, Python would rule the next decade as a language both for starters and professionals. To make you ready for the industry, we designed a world-class curriculum for Python that is extensive and helpful for everyone looking for Python's use in multiple domains. It includes basic programming concepts, data handling using Python data structures, functional programming, file handling, object-oriented Python, structured database, SQL, Django overview with APOC, GUI development, socket programming. Each module is complemented with hands-on lab. You will get to work on 2 awesome projects at the end of the course. You can always reach out to our 24/7 support staff for any questions during your course and assistance with projects. This concludes the course preview, and we hope you are all geared up for your Python course.